everyone, welcome back to Filmora MVP YouTube channel. YouTube Shorts is an infant feature that allows creators to upload short-form vertical videos to the platform, adding various TikTok-like enhancements from colorful text to images to different music additions. As part of the creators, you will get a chance to make money on YouTube Shorts due to its huge reward program. In this video, we will introduce you how to make money on YouTube Shorts and everything you may be interested in YouTube Shorts monetization. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to keep getting the latest updates. Then let's get started. What is YouTube Shorts Fund? The YouTube Shorts Fund is a part of the YouTube Shorts monetization scheme. It's a $100 million fund distributed throughout 2021 through 2022. As per YouTube's official website source, anyone can participate in the fund simply by creating unique and engaging shorts that delight the community of YouTube to a great extent. How to apply for YouTube Shorts Fund? Your channel has to comply with a strict set of eligibility requirements to activate the YouTube Shorts monetization. There are some requirements below. Publish one eligible short in the last 180 days. Your channel does not conflict with the YouTube community guidelines, copyright rules, or monetization policies. Content needs to be original and unique on the YouTube Shorts platform. Uploading movie clips or re-uploading videos from other video platforms are not allowed. The creator must be 13 or older. Your channel has to have multiples of subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to join the YouTube Partner Program. So far, there's not a direct way of application for the YouTube Shorts Fund. Creators can't request an invitation or enroll themselves in the fund. The only way you can join the fund is via a direct YouTube invitation. How to claim bonus payment from YouTube Shorts Fund? You're required to go through the following 2 steps. Accept the terms, link an active AdSense account. Creators who do not have an AdSense account will be able to set one up directly on YouTube as part of the procedure of claiming. Once you claim your YouTube Shorts Fund or bonus payment successfully, that amount will get added to your monthly cost of AdSense. It is worth defining that channels creating and publishing non-original content, videos re-uploaded from other channels, and videos with the logos or watermarks from third-party social platforms will not be eligible to claim a bonus payment from the YouTube Shorts Fund. More tips about YouTube Shorts monetization. In addition to the YouTube Shorts Fund, YouTube provides numerous other methods in which creators can earn more revenues from their YouTube content and build their businesses on the platform. These consist of merchandise, ads, YouTube Brand Connect, and channel memberships, among others. Revenue by advertisement. With this method, you can have advertisements displayed on your regular YouTube videos. These advertisements help the streaming media generate funds, some part of which is then shared with you. In a broader spectrum, the more videos your YouTube channel has, the more money you make. Channel membership. If you prepare engaging videos that are liked by the majority of users, you can set up your channel for paid members who get attractive perks in return. Merch shelf. In this method, you can sell your or others' branded products to potential customers for monetary gains. Influencer. If you're good at speaking and can motivate people, becoming an influencer is another method you can make a decent amount of money from YouTube with. When you become an influencer, you can get associated with multiple organizations and companies to promote their products and services and get paid. Super chat and super stickers. If you have a good fan base, you can highlight their messages and chat and can charge them for this. YouTube Premium. You can prepare some engaging and informative videos that are exclusively available for the YouTube Premium members. Because these subscribers have purchased YouTube Premium membership, the streaming platform shares the profit it gets from such users with you. That's all for today. I love hearing about all your thoughts after watching our videos. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and let us know what else you want to learn in the comments. See you next time. Bye!